Brian Neubert, Peace Park's technical advisor in Maputo National Park, is working with his team to build benches for newly established picnic sites in the park.
Offloading sand and stone and cement on site. We build the molds on site because they're so heavy to carry, and to transport them on the back of a vehicle they end up breaking. We bring everything to the site and then build it on site. You have a base plate, then you bolt the sides on. Just putting an oil seal on the metal so that cement doesn't stick to the metal plating. Okay, this is putting the reinforcing in. This is to strengthen the concrete mix. Okay, these two sides are bolted on, and then it's filled with concrete and left to dry.
When working in remote areas such as this, where the nearest town is 4 hours away over difficult terrain, the teams need to get creative and innovative when creating new infrastructure. Make sure to pack a nice lunch when visiting the park so you can enjoy it at these very snazzy new benches in one of the most beautiful places on earth.